Vegetarian is easy and delicious. Let's whip up a no-cook spicy and numbing dish to curb those cravings today.
It's been a while since I last made a steamed dish, but today's recipe is so easy, just steam it and you'll succeed. No cooking skills needed. The spicy and aromatic mala sauce deeply infuses the tofu knots, bursting with juicy flavor when bitten, while the silky soft tofu melts in your mouth, a perfect contrast of chewiness and tenderness. If you love spicy food but don't feel like cooking, just steam it like this, ready to eat in no time. Ingredients: bean curd knots, soft tofu, mala paste, Lao Gan Ma chilies all. Add Lao Gan Ma chili oil to the steaming tray. Lao Gan Ma chili oil boasts an aromatic, spicy sweet flavor profile, with crispy chili flakes swimming in rich, savory oil. Each bite delivers complex layers of umami. Seasoning with salt and vegan oyster sauce. Mix evenly with spoon. Cut the soft tofu into cubes and toss thoroughly with the spicy sauce, ensuring each piece is evenly coated. Tofu acts like a flavor sponge, soaking up all the rich essence of the spicy sauce. Every juicy bite gets more addictive. Tossing bean curd knot on tofu. I always crown my dish with mala sauce, but you swap in Lao Gan Ma chili oil if that's your jam. The savory spicy notes of mala sauce team up with Lao Gan Ma's deep chili oil, doubling the flavor dimensions. Crispy chili flakes waltz with the rich sauce on your tongue. One bite and you're hooked. Steam tofu knots and silken tofu in a single layer for 20 minutes until fork tender. As the heat opens up their texture to soak up the mala sauce's fragrance and chili oil's richness like flavor magnets, serve piping hot with the tofu jiggling in glossy sauce while each bite into the knots releases a burst of spicy lava. This dish is incredibly appetizing and packed with flavorful sauce, perfect for pairing with rice. Tofu knots deliver 12 grams plant-based protein per 100 grams with their sauce-absorbing porous texture, while silken tofu offers isoflavones and 150 milligrams calcium per 100 grams, over 90% retention after steaming for gentle nutrition. This dynamic duo creates a plant protein and fiber powerhouse where silky tofu meets satisfying chewiness, all packed into just 120 calories per serving, a guilt-free nutrient boost. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. I have just started to be vegan for a few months. I have also been trying to learn simple vegetarian recipes. I found that vegetarian food is not only healthy and delicious, but also very easy to make. If you are a vegan beginner like me, let's learn to cook vegetarian food together. I'm an ovo-lacto vegetarian, no meat but eats eggs, dairy. Friends who avoid alliums like garlic, onion. Adjust seasonings to your preference. The most important thing is enjoying the meal together. When dining with fellow vegetarians, communicate dietary restrictions in advance for both delicious food and mutual respect. Want to try going vegetarian but worried it's too hard to switch all at once? No problem, starting with meat-free when possible is the easiest way. For example, today just skip one serving of meat, and tomorrow try swapping minced pork for tofu in your stir-fry. Take it slow, and your body and taste buds will naturally adjust. Your family won't feel like you've suddenly become difficult at mealtime either. When you're out with friends or at a family gathering, say, your mom's homemade chicken soup or a colleague's grilled fish order, it's okay to have a bite. Going veg isn't a test. Being flexible actually makes it easier to stick with long term. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For OVO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.